So I thought I'd give a little update on myself for doing some mini reviews. First of all, I apologize for my appearance. Looking kind of shitty. I just got skin growth removed from my nose a few days ago, so I've been kind of washing my hair sparingly, trying to let it heal up a bit. Also, I've been on a low-carb diet because I found out my blood sugar is on the fence of being diabetic, but it's low enough that it can be reversed. So, been on a low-carb diet, so we'll see how that goes. And recently I saw the new Star Trek movie, and I thought it was pretty decent. I'm not like an expert on the Star Trek franchise. I liked most of the CGI, in a couple scenes it was really horrible. You had main cast return, Zachary Quinto, Zoe Saldana, Chris Pine, and you just had a lot of great action sequences, and a new enemy by the name of Crawl, played by a really underrated actor. So it's not a big secret who plays Crawl, but I'm a real fan of the actor and don't want to spoil it. If you haven't seen the movie yet, you can look it up on Internet Movie Database if you want. I also recently watched the movie Operation Bottleneck, and it's about U.S. soldiers that dropped in Burma in World War II, and one of them falls in love with a Japanese girl, and like a lot of the movies, it's kind of clunky, kind of stagey, like, low budget sets, but it's really not that bad. It's about 76 minutes long. There's a really decent love story between the soldier and the local woman, and I just really enjoyed it. I'm a huge fan of old war movies. I also watched The Girl in the Photographs, which was one of Wes Craven's last films before he died of brain cancer. It stars Cal Penn, and Cal Penn stars as this kind of douchey artsy photographer who thinks he's super deep and edgy. He ends up going to a little podunk town because victims are popping up with pictures of themselves before they're murdered, being passed off to other people. And he gets involved with a local girl who's receiving said photographs. The movie really isn't. It's not a typical slasher movie. It's not as flashy. It's really low-key, almost like an indie film. But there's a payoff at the end, but I'm not sure if casual slasher fans will want to wait through the hour, 20 minutes to get to the most salacious bits of the movie. And overall, some people think that, for a final Wes Craven project, even executive produced, it could have been a lot better, but it's okay. I also recently watched The ABCs of Death Part 2. I wasn't a huge fan of Part 1. Basically, The ABCs of Death Part 2 is just a mixed bag of 10-minute or more short films by different directors, basically all having something to do with the alphabet. And like I said, some shorts were great, some shorts were awful, some shorts just really fell flat. But if they make a third one, and I think they are, I think it's being produced right now, I'll probably check it out. another similar film I watched was called Holidays, and it's about 10 or 20 shorts, all involving different holidays, and it stars, like, Seth Green pops up in one segment. And overall, I really liked the movie. The shorts were a bit more polished than the ABCs of Death. And they range from, like, the creepy, the hilarious, the chilling. I like the cast more of characters, the production values, and I just really dug it. I kind of hope they make a second type of film, or maybe a spin-off. And the ABCs of Death Part 2, The Holidays, are on Netflix streaming. So I happened to find them, and I was just buzzing through what was on Netflix, because I haven't been on there in forever. And lastly, one film I watched was Grease Lightning. It was about race car driver Wendell Scott. And I thought it was interesting. It was about his early days as a bootlegger. At a time when it was illegal to bootleg booze. Just how he dealt with the racism and just not being allowed in certain restaurants, being picked on in the racing circuit because of his race as a black man. And there's just a really great scene when he's in a restaurant eating a steak with one of his white friends, and I won't spoil it, but it's a really kind of funny, cool scene. And it was an okay movie. But it just kind of ends when he's at the height of his popularity, and it doesn't really say what happened to him, so I'm probably gonna hop on Google and just look him up and see what happened. Yeah, Grease Lightning. It was okay. It was a decent little biopic. It only spanned so much of his life. It wasn't a miniseries, unfortunately. But it made me interested in Wendell Scott as a person. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my little mini reviews, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.